Now we're going to set up our routes or route drivers. To set up routes, all you have to do is go to Routes and Schedule. From here, I'm going to click Menu, and I'm going to go to Routes and Crews. I'm going to define my route. We recommend not to use employee names here, because if an employee leaves, then you're going to have to change his route to the new employee. Whereas if you name it with a number or something similar to that, you can put the employee's name in the description. And that way when it changes, all you have to do is go in here and change the description. You can also set a route prefix. This can supersede a number on an invoice. So for instance, if I set this to R1-, every invoice that's generated by R1 will have this prefix in front of it. I don't have to set this, and it's going to auto number my invoices going forward. If you use QuickBooks classes, you can define a class associated with this route. So every invoice that this route does will have the class associated here on those invoices. Same with sales rep. With classes, however, you can define line item specific classes at the customer level. If a line item specific class is set for a particular customer, then that supersedes the route class. If it's blank or not being used in the customer specific pricing, then the route class will go on that invoice. So when I create this route, when I press save, what will happen now is it's going to look at the user list. If I don't have a Route 1 or R1 username, it will add it automatically. Now I can add my next route. I can define a prefix if I want, or leave it blank. I can also set the sort order. So if you have a lot of drivers in here and you want them to be in a specific order, you can set that order. If you don't put anything in that value, it's going to put it in alphabetical order. Just keep adding your routes. When you're done, press cancel. If you need to go back and make a change to a route, click on Menu and click on Routes and Crews. From here, I can delete a route. I can also edit a route, or I can add a new route.